Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by here today. I'm Jane and Abraham is behind the camera. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a tour of our Airbnb here in Launceston, Tasmania. So this is the door, and once you walk in, to the left is the bathroom. So you walk into this door on the left and you have the bathroom here. So we have the shower right here with this nice rain head. And also we have conditioner, shampoo and body wash provided. We have our sink right here, and under it we have like towels, more towels, hair dryer and some tissue right there. On this side we have the toilet with enough space for you to stretch your leg if you wish. And then on the right side we have a washer and dryer. It's a combo of washer and dryer. And then under here we have cleaning products, cleaning supplies, our iron, and enough space for you to fold your laundry. So coming out of the bathroom, we're going to go right into the room. And you walk in, there's a second door here, so I believe you can close that if you want to. But when you walk into the room, I'm going to start with the left side, which is the bedroom area, because it's a studio, so we'll call this the bedroom area. So right here we have our bed. This should be a queen size bed with enough pillows and some more towels, and the host was kind enough to put some chocolates right here, which is a great touch. We also have the bedside lamp and bedside tables, which is more of this bamboo and black feel. It looks light, so it's a lot of white bamboo, or would I say wood, and it makes it look light, airy and open. So we have the bed right here, and we also have like a wardrobe or cupboard with your ironing board, dryer right here if you like to air dry your clothes, some hangers for storage, and we also have like extra sheets and duvet cover, and I think there are robes down there and dinner. So that's what we have right there. There's also more storage, I believe, on top, because it's empty here, so if you have little bits and pieces you can put up there. Now if you look up above the bed, there's a skylight, which is great. It brings in light without having to put on the lights if you wish. And also you can close them, so right there you have that right there, you can use that to close the blind. And so moving forward, out of the bedroom area, we have the seating area, which is nice. Like I said, a lot of light wood, white, so it makes it feel really airy and open. But here you have the sitting area with two chairs right here, and pillows. And there's this full-length mirror for you to check out yourself. And tables right here, and you can also watch the TV, which is this way. So from this spot, you can watch the TV right there, but I believe if it's a TV you can swivel, so you can watch that from the bed too. So simply I'm showing you the TV, we'll just go over to the kitchen area. So we have the kitchen area right here, and we have your fridge, your stove top. This I believe is a combination of a microwave and an oven together. And in the drawers there are plates, cups, wine glasses, cleaning products, cutlery. We also have a kettle and coffee machine, and up here there's like coffee pots and some more cups, coffee right here. We also have pans, everything you need to cook, and I think there's a toaster. It's right there, a toaster for you to toast your bread. And we have a sink. It's one sink, but you can do everything you need in it, and also the drying rack right here. Now, once you get to the kitchen, there's just this open space here, which is good for you to stretch or do whatever you need to do. We have the seating area, so it's like a two-seater. I believe it's made for two people. It's supposed to accommodate two people. So this is like your dining area, and if you're comfortable, you can do your walk here. Because here, the seat is padded, so you can walk here if you wish. So this is where we're going to be walking from, right here. And it has this nice light hanging from it. Now, we have the garden area, which I'll take you to, but this door leads to the garden, so just open it, open it, and you're in your private garden area. So yeah, it's just a garden, a nice sitting area for you to sit down, maybe have a coffee or something, or just enjoy the weather. It's warm, and then also a nice rose garden, which is it's fairly new, so it's fairly done up. So yeah, it's still growing, and then you also have the nice artificial grass for you to walk on. Yeah, that's it for the outside. So this place was newly listed on Airbnb about a month ago, and we booked it because it's also very close to the city center. I believe about 15 minutes walk from the city center, and it's also available for long-term stays. So I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'll leave the link to this listing in the description box below. Until next time, bye.